Hello. Exactly a year ago, we introduced the first AI phone powered by Galaxy AI. The Galaxy S24 series opened up new ways to create, communicate, and get things done. But what lies ahead is even more exciting. Today, we are setting the standard for mobile AI innovation once again. One UI 7, our most personalized interface, redefines.
I'm delighted to announce that screen sharing and live video streaming is coming first to Android and the Galaxy S25 series. This means, in the coming months, you'll be able to ask Gemini to reason about the things you see, whether it's on your phone or the world around you.
Samsung is excited to build the next frontier for AI with Google. To build cutting-edge AI experiences, we've focused on one thing above all. That's privacy.
Over the past year, Galaxy AI redefined how we interact with technology. Circle to Search with Google has helped millions of people uncover knowledge and explore the world. And millions more have used Galaxy AI to experience deeper, more meaningful connections. This includes breaking down language barriers in real time, making conversations simpler and more efficient. For in-person and call translations, we now support up to 20 languages. And these translations occur on device to maintain the level of security you know and trust. Now, if you're on a call and have to take notes, Galaxy AI will help you easily create a full transcript and summary of your conversation. You might be wondering, how does Galaxy AI anticipate what I need and when I need it? Meet Personal Data Engine. The Personal Data Engine organizes information into a knowledge graph tailored to you by understanding your context, preferences, and routines. If I ask my Galaxy S25 to find a photo of Max from last winter in a red coat eating cake, our large language model breaks down the question to the time period, main subject, and details. So for this specific photo, my gallery app will narrow down to the search to last winter, then look for photos of Max within that period. Then, using our vision language model, it'll pull up the most relevant photos that satisfy in a red coat eating cake. All of this is done on device, which means you'll be able to conduct complex searches even when you're offline.
Here's a recent photo that I took. Let me ask Gemini for some help.
Ah, a Labrador Retriever. Are you looking for some information on this breed, or do you need help with something else?
I'd like to improve my photography. How's my composition?
It's a good start. I like how the dog is the clear focal point. But right now, the dog is centered in the frame, which can be a bit boring. Try moving a little off-center to create a more dynamic composition.
That's great. Thank you. Is the lighting a little muted? How can I make this more vibrant?
Yes, it does seem a little muted. For a more vibrant look, try shooting on a sunny day. If you can't wait for better weather, you can try editing the photo afterwards. Increasing the contrast and saturation can make a big difference.
I've never really understood contrast. How's mine? Can I make it better?
Contrast is basically the difference between the lightest and darkest areas of your photo. If the difference is small, the picture looks flat. If it's too big, it can look harsh. It's a bit low in this image, but you can increase it during editing to make the colors pop more.
Now, we want S25 users to experience the best of Gemini. So all devices will come with 6 months of Gemini Advanced and 2 terabytes of cloud storage at no extra cost.
As we announced with Google in December, we're co-developing the Android XR ecosystem, working hand in hand to define the operating system, user interface, and hardware. These upcoming XR devices with multimodal AI will change how we interact with the physical and virtual worlds. Interactions will be more natural and intuitive, and we can't wait to share more details later this year.
Thanks to advanced AI learning, the object-aware engine detects subjects with greater precision. And now, it also recognizes the lighting in your environment and adjusts skin tones to appear more natural and true to life. Today, we're excited to provide you with more depth and control in your photos with Virtual Aperture, which uses advanced software to deliver an experience once exclusive to professional cameras. Shooting doesn't always go as planned. Have you ever filmed a video only to have it interrupted by background noise? Galaxy S25's audio eraser analyzes and separates the sound specific to the video, so you can reduce the levels of unwanted noise. Let's take a look at some B-roll from our set with John.
I had a lot of fun filming.
In this video, the AI detects noises like wind and waves, so you can lower their volume and make the voice stand out.
By creating an innovative end-to-end health and wellness experience that's intuitive and personalized. Our commitment to this vision has always driven our progress. From Galaxy Ring to Galaxy Watch and beyond, we have continued to lead in personalized digital health solutions. At the heart of it is our intelligent system for health, which learns about you, your daily activities and health metrics like diet, sleep patterns, and activity levels to offer personalized insights and coaching.
Today, we're excited to announce the creation of our circular battery supply chain, partnering with like-minded organizations to reuse batteries from previous use Galaxy devices.
The Galaxy S25 series is built to redefine what a smartphone can do, with cutting-edge AI and next-level performance. With One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 series provides a seamless mobile experience that feels natural, intuitive, and effortless. Equipped with a customized AP optimized for gaming, it delivers unparalleled performance and responsiveness. And the AI-powered camera offers stunning photography with professional-level editing tools letting you create like never before. And the best part? All of these features are available across the entire Galaxy S25 lineup, from the base model to the Plus. In short, it's a true AI companion.
Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available starting at $1,299. And the S25 and S25 Plus will be available starting at $799 and $999 respectively. The Galaxy S25 series will be available starting February 7th, and pre-orders start today. Thank you so much for being a part of Unpacked.